Here's a breadboard assembly I built. It's based on the HamStack board from Sierra Radio Systems, a company run by a couple ham radio operators. Very nice people, excellent company to deal with. That's a PIC 18F4620. I've got a Picket microchip Picket 2 programmer, which can be easily attached or removed. Lots of breadboard area. There's a linear pot, a logarithmic pot. Got a hole drilled for a rotary encoder, which I don't have yet. 4 switches for binary input. I've got a power switch, double pull, double throw, center off. The HamStack board has a 5-volt regulator on it with about 100 milliamps, but this way I can put a power brick in, or I can run off those 5 AA batteries, or I can still run off the HamStack. I can switch those off. They go through a 5-volt regulator there. There on whoop, I'm not pointing to it. There on the very right, I've got 2 DB9s also for the transmit and receive. There's some wires coming in from the binary switches. There's a pot wire coming in for the analog voltage. There's a Scott Edwards serial BP216 9600 baud display. I had a lot of trouble getting that to work till I realized I had to invert the TX signal coming from the HamStack. I did it through a 7404, and then it worked fine. I've got that pot so I can control the speed. There's the ubiquitous Cyclone Eyes program, especially if you read Smiley's workshop in Nuts and Volts. I've got 4 possible. There's a kind of a visual volume control. There's a software error. The display was blinking. I've subsequently corrected that. The voltmeter turns out to be very accurate when compared to my other voltmeter, my external voltmeter, when I've got it hooked up. And there I've got a binary counter. Can speed it up, slow it down. Nice, easy to breadboard with this. I'm glad I bought the HamStack board.